Welcome, welcome, welcome to Pam's Vlog Vibes. I'm Pam, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. I got something brand new for you guys. This is what I am going to be reviewing. I have a studio cut by Pro. It is the Sexy Wig Collection. Yes, yes, yes. And it is a 1B. So we're going to check it out. I want to say I paid about $30 with everything total, almost 30. So yes, let's see what she is giving. So we're going to take her out of the packaging. She is packaged really, really well. This is the card. So this is the card. This is her. She comes in different colors. So yes. So let's see what we got. She is nice and secure in here. She is padded very well. Let's take the netting off. And I've had Studio Cut Pro before, and I did really, really well with it. It was giving me life, so I said, look, let's try and see what Studio Cut Pro got for the Sexy Collection. So this is the Sexy Wig Collection. And she has a bang. So she has a bang here. And she is like a very light yaki. Somewhat of a shine. Somewhat of a shine. So this is what she is wavy, loose waves. And she has flow and she has body. Now for 28 some dollars, she is on the thin side. But she is doing what she needs to do for $28. So she has the loose waves. Let's see what she looks like in the inside. So on the inside, she has no combs at the top. She has tabs on the side, and in the back, no combs. She has adjustable straps, but that's good enough. That is what we need to do. She is ventilated. Look. Look. She is ventilated. So for summer, she is going to be on point and not a problem. Not a problem at all. So let's try her on. So let's see what she is doing. She is not big head friendly. She is pretty snug around the back area. She is somewhat thin. She's not thick, but she is light. And I think that's going to be great for the summer because you don't want anything heavy and really, really like suffocating your head. She has these cute bangs here, and I have them this way, and then I have them this way, so I think that is great. That is on point, because when you have a big forehead like moi, these bangs will come in handy. So yeah, but I'm loving the wave. pattern. This is the wave pattern. And I'm loving it. She does have some tangling, very minimal, very slight. And she does shed. So she does shed. But not enough to be really concerned with. But this is her. I want to say she's about 20 inches. Yeah. So let's take a look at her in the back. So this is her in the back. This is what she is looking like. And so this is studio cut. So yes, I do have her in a different color. I also have her in the OT30. This is the color, so we're going to try her on. So this is what she looks like. Let's get the netting off. Same feel, same texture, very flowy. Beautiful coloring. She does have the dark roots. She also has a bang. So let's try her on. She also is snug. She is not big head friendly. She's friendly, but she's snug and friendly. So she likes to cozy up with you a little bit. And this is her. I love this color. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's comb her out and see what she is giving. So this is OT30. And she is super, super cute. Super cute. I'm loving this color. Summertime vibes. Summertime vibes. She is summertime ready. So let's see what she looks like in the back. This is her in the back. Like I say, she's about 20, 22 inches. So yeah. So she is cute. Comment below, guys, what you think. What you think. This color is smashing on me. Yes, it complements my skin. So yeah, guys, I wanted to come on and give you 2 reviews. Like I say, she is a throw on and out the door. Throw on and go. She is ready to go. So yeah. Love, love, love her. So, until the next video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And until the next new video, bye.